We've all been there before, staring at a blank page and trying to choose a research topic. As a college student, Mary has had to pick her fair share. While some professors provide topics, others leave it wide open. Talk about pressure. But having that freedom can be a good thing. You can write about something you genuinely care about. When Mary had to pick a topic for her psychology paper, she went with social media effects on teen mental health, something she could sink her teeth into. The key is finding your research topic, sweet spot. Pick an area that fascinates you, put a fresh spin on it, and narrow it down to keep your scope small. Like Mary, she was interested in social media, so she focused on Instagram and anxiety among high schoolers last year. It may take time to find that winning idea, but it's worth it. Trust me, I've written my best papers on topics I was passionate about. So embrace that topic brainstorming process. Your research topic sweet spot is out there waiting. Share your top tips for choosing research topics in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more research help. Thank you for watching. See you next time.